Why is the sky blue? Have you ever looked up and wondered, why is the sky blue? It's actually because of how sunlight works. The sun's light looks white, but it's really made up of lots of colors, like a rainbow. When sunlight hits the air in Earth's atmosphere, the blue light gets scattered in all directions more than the other colors. That's because blue light travels in short, small waves. The other colors don't scatter as much, so our eyes see the sky as blue. Pretty cool, right? Next time you're outside, you'll know the science behind that beautiful blue sky. Why do we yawn? Yawning is something we all do, but why do we yawn when we're tired, bored, or see someone else yawning? Scientists believe that yawning helps cool down your brain. When you yawn, you take in a big breath of air, stretching your jaw wide open. This cool air helps bring down your brain temperature, which keeps your brain working well. Yawning is also contagious. Seeing someone yawn can make you yawn too. It's like your brain thinks, hey, I need a cool down too. So, yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It's your brain's way of refreshing itself. Why do magnets stick to some things and not others? Magnets are like magic, but it's really just science. Magnets only stick to certain materials like iron, nickel, and cobalt. These metals have tiny magnetic domains that line up when they come close to a magnet. That's why your fridge magnets stick to the door, but they don't stick to plastic, wood, or glass. The magnetic force attracts the metals, making them cling together. So, next time you play with magnets, remember, they're picky about what they stick to. Did you learn something new today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome learning videos.